Thank you for watching our video. Please give us a big like, subscribe to our channel for new videos every day with amazing cars. Leave us your opinion in the comment section on the video. Thank you. For a few years now, there's been an Italian man going only by Powerslide Lover online, and he's uploaded footage of him driving his very expensive cars on Europe's top racetracks. True to his name, the driver often favors getting some good slides over putting down the quickest lap time. Recently, he's uploaded a video sliding his rare LaFerrari Aperta up the narrow mountain roads of Italy's Passo di Giau. Not the most responsible use of millions of dollars, but you can rest assured that the road was closed at the time for a local go-karting event, meaning it was only our mystery driver's wallet on the line. First released in 2013, the LaFerrari was an ultra-exclusive successor to the Enzo, and one of the first examples of an F1-style hybrid system in a street car. Production capped at 499 units. In 2016, an additional 210 cars were manufactured as the LaFerrari Aperta, featuring a convertible top and revised cooling. In both iterations of the supercar, the Ferrari's V12 and electric motor can harmonize to belt out more than 900 horsepower to the rear wheels, so inducing oversteer is no trouble at all. This was not Powerslide Lover's first go-around in the LaFerrari, as he has older uploads driving the car at Ferrari, Monza, and the Nürburgring. Even a pro driver would need several hours of seat time to put that degree of trust into such an expensive and immensely powerful car, especially on a damp, narrow road covered in loose gravel. Whoever this person is, there's an impressive level of driving skill that he puts on display. Thank you for watching our video. Please give us a big like, subscribe to our channel for new videos every day with amazing cars. Leave us your opinion in the comment section on the video. Thank you.